part 2 is coming. Anyways, this is part... No! Mag-go to a party. Oh. Sige. I smash your head. This is, delete? Decline. This one? It's decline, not delete. This, yes. Okay, let's go na, Mami. You should take the guy. Let's go na. Yeah. Oh my God. Tomorrow is you're going to have school tomorrow. So in Sunday at Saturday you will go school. Let's go. Saan card natin? Hindi ko alam. Wait lang nga, let's go to our sasakyan. Hindi to. Ala. Wait guys. Ala. We have a car. Oo nga, we have a car. Wait lang, I'm gonna get it to. Come na. That again, I don't like that. It's so fancy. We are rich. Oh, let's go na. It's like someone gonna sakay there. Or we're not going to go there na lang. No. You don't like to go there? Yeah. So you won't swimming anymore? No. You don't like to swimming? I like. And let's go swimming. Mama, yeah. Pagandang to school. Ay, when you have no school? No, pagandang to school. When you have no school na. Okay, looks. Pag I'm grade 8. When you have no school, you're grade 5. Oh. Bye. Oh my God, I have a new crush. It's your classmate. No, that's my crush. No. I love you. Ah! Mama, hurry up. You just want that boy. I gotta go to school. Let's go to a party. We're a Filipino. Masto, Filipino. Hoy, Filipino. Bakit always laugh? One. Basahin to. Basahin ko. Basahin ko ang mga magagandang buhay. And I'm half a day. I'm the Mas sakit. Mas gusto na. He's half day pala eh. And I know you forgot I'm not half day pala. And I see. Friday is half day and it's Tuesday, I say. Because when it's half day, we can go swimming. Ay, I'm half day pala because it's Friday, half day Friday. And you forgot you're not half day. Ay, oo nga pala, not half day. When you check the calendar, it's Friday. It's Tuesday. Tuesday. Ay, you're right. Tuesday. Are you smart? Let's go buy some groceries. Let's go dito. Go wipe pizza in my inventory.
I'm gonna eat
What I'm gonna buy? Apples. Now we'll get the reds. Bananas too. It's my favorite. Why can I get the bananas? There, the bananas. And I will get red and green. And pizzas. I need to get everything in the store. What? Let's see.
Okay, time to go home class.
Bruh, it's still lunchtime.
No, time to go home.
PM.
I gonna go home at 1, di ba? Ay, nako. Okay naman. Okay.
Let's go sundo na.
Oh, lunchtime pa lang.
Look at the sun. It's going down a little.
Open the lights.
Did I cash to somebody? It's P. Come na, hop in.
Mama, my classmate said you're half day.
Off day nga. It's not half day.
Di ba you have work?
Have work? Wala.
Why you have no work today?
We have so many money kaya eh.
No, you need to work pa rin. May baon nga, you forgot.
Ayoko nga.
Kaya you need to work for you.
I-clean the house naman.
Hindi. Your party.
Dapat you don't know.
No. My friend said, your party. He forgot his
It's liar. You look the stuff we have.
Ala, why you buy that?
Let's go here.
Yes. Ay!
Ano?
Yay! Oh, I'm swimming.
Back there. Eh, ano ginagawa mo? Kaya, dito. Oh, look at, ano ginagawa mo? Sweetie. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm not joking.
Wow, there's a hairstyle.
Kana.
How about our stairs?
Ano?
Stairs there.
Come. It's here.
Ayun.
Go to your swimming outfits. We're going to stay here one day lang.
Hala, 1 day. Gusto ko 2 days.
You have class.
Ala. Okay, gonna palit. Wow!
I just saved this.
Oh. 1-4.
I go change.
I gonna go to my room, mama.
We already have a room here. There's a bunk bed. I take the top one. Baka you will hulog to the taas.
No, this is not a room. This is my app, and this is
I said that's mine, no? Baka you're going to hulog kasi.
ang big girl na mami.
I'm changing.
Changing to. Ay, this is not a view. This is a driving. Wow, ganda na view. I gonna picture man. Ay, nyo rinig ay. It's like ano.
Ano yun?
And then, that's my cell phone. It's not charging. Pag it's charging, pag ang cellphone is tok, 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 like that. This is a buro. This is a
Actually, hindi pizza yun.
Ano yun? Bakit? Bakit hindi pizza?
Hindi pizza, Garod.
Apa hindi pizza, Garod?
Ano? Wait lang. This is, oh. Pizza gayam yun, oh.
Oy, bawal ka dito. This is my view.
Ay, this is for RB1.
Ay, sorry. Not
Oh.
my classmate. Ay, wait lang. Kaka-cellphone ko. Ay! Ay, naku, may cellphone is gone. Mami, saan na yung pizza ko?
I give it to you.
Wala naman here.
I give it to you. Why did you delete it?
I'm not delete it. Wait lang, I gonna get it.
Part 3.